Yes. I don't know if you can see my screen. That's fine. Okay. Now let's start with this one. As I said, this go login, this is it. Okay, and then you get your proxy. So when you open the go login, eh, this is how it look like, but I've already done it. So let me log out and then teach you all over again. So now this is it. Okay, you have to sign up first. Okay, so this is your email. So you can use any email at all, anyone. So you can see tech free freelancing 09 at, don't use your root Gmail, just anyone that you get your hands on. Anyone, just formulate any fake Gmail and then any password. And then you sign up. Choose any part, anyone here, anyone, just choose anyone. Now, when you are here, select all these parts and then delete. Okay. You close this one and then you delete. Okay. Now, when you're done, you have to create a new profile. So now let's use the profile that we use for the ULO. So let me copy this, the name. So you have to first name your profile just in case so that you not get lost when you are using them. So profile one, you just highlight the profile one and then paste the name there. Now at the notes you add the location just in case so that you know where this account is from. Okay, so here I'll just say Indiana. Okay, now we have to add our proxy. So you go back to your proxy where you buy your proxy. When I buy it from NSocks, okay. So I'm using one. It takes 24 hours for it to exhaust. So it's still running. I can still use it. So yeah, I just click on any one. This one. This is the proxy. This one. See this one here. There's a proxy. You copy it. You go to your Go login and then you add proxy. If when you are here, don't type anything, don't do anything, just go to paste. And it's going to paste the one you copied from the Go to paste the one you copied from the Go login. Yeah, Mr. White, senior. Good morning, senior. Boko, senior. What you know? Almost say 450 today. I said my party been at ton. Say I said me yeah advertise money for free bring to me. Um, oh, so Obia period already pay big man for that bro. Uh, okay, o dem ma me kasa. Say all online, we be any me twa me send the pictures ma na e bia o post ya na. Okay. Okay. Yo. Mm, yeah. Um, 1 hour say. Okay. 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 Yo. Okay, so when you've added the proxy, you have to choose socks 5 here. Socks 5. Now you go to done. So the proxy will be loaded in the proxy list. Okay, the list. And then you choose the one added recently. Then when you are done, you just run it. You can do changes to your profile, but it's not needed. It's just for temporary things. So when you have paid for the premium, that's when you have to do settings to your profile just so that people cannot access it and stuff. Okay. So let's check for the proxy and see how. So you see it. Ehen. So this is it. This is how it will appear. Okay. And if in case that you are not good with your proxy and you want to change it, you close it down. Okay. You see that it will be closed down. And then you choose another proxy. The first one, you choose this one. Let's choose this one. Okay. You copy this one. You go to the GoLogin. Go to add proxy. And you go to add proxy. And then go to paste. Go to source 5. When it is downloading, source 5, when it's downloading, go to done. Now when you are here, this is the first one that we use. We use the second one. Okay. The second one is being done. Let's run it. Yeah, my post on my start. I mean, nigga, I'm here. So more of 100. So, be there. I mean. So, we are done. You can try it and see. You can try it.